Every year, 53 million tons of e-waste is produced. But the worst part of this all is that only 15 to 20% of those electronics is being recycled. Today, we present to you a possible solution. That is, design for disassembly. First off, what is e-waste? E-waste is the fastest growing waste stream in the world. I am talking about electronic products that are unwanted, that are not working, and that are at the end of their useful life. So, e-waste is barely being recycled. But why is that? There are three main reasons. One, many of our products are built to only last a certain amount of time. This is called planned obsolescence, and this is why some electronic devices slow down within only a few years of use. The second reason why so little of our e-waste is being recycled, it has to do with the way our devices are assembled. Think about too much glue or screws with heads that no ordinary person has a screwdriver for. This is making it very difficult to repair or disassemble electronic devices. Thirdly, it is often cheaper to buy a new product instead of repairing your broken device. But there are new technologies and there are trends underway that aim to change this throwaway society into a more circular one. And it is called design for disassembly. Design for disassembly means that during the design process of a product, the designers have already thought about how to take apart the product so that it can be repaired, cleaned, or can be recycled. And this is done by taking into account the assembly methods like gluing, 3D printing, or using screws to hold your product together. But why should you care? Well, design for disassembly is so important that the European Parliament has voted in favor of establishing a right to repair. They want to prioritize repair and reuse in the spirit of a true circular economy. The right to repair has showed how the EU is supporting consumers and the environment in the fight against throwaway products. Let me take you through a few great examples. The first way of finding the best design for disassembly is done using artificial intelligence. The technology uses a virtual disassembly environment based on two different algorithms. One is looking at the physical movement constraints of the product, and the other one is looking at the disassembly possibilities. Now, these algorithms are able to assess many more options than a human ever could, which leads to better design for disassembly solutions. But it doesn't have to be high-tech. For example, Ikea is extending the lifetime of their furniture by offering online disassembly instructions to help people take apart their furniture for when they are moving, from when they want to sell a closet, or maybe just want to change its appearance. Taking the furniture apart correctly reduces the risk of damage and reduces its impact on the environment. Now, our last example today might be your most used product on the daily, your smartphone. The market-leading smartphone designed for disassembly is called the Fairphone. The modular design allows users to repair their phones themselves, and it even allows them to upgrade specs like their cameras by putting in a new camera module. Fairphone even received a perfect 10 out of 10 grade from iFixit, which is a website offering repair manuals and repair tools for every device, whether it can be your PS5 controller or your earpods. This way, iFixit is allowing consumers to take charge of their repair process. It is so motivating to see that we are heading in the right direction with the European Parliament, with artificial intelligence, and with huge retailers like Ikea hopping on the design for disassembly movement. And now that we have you here, let us know which tech you want us to update you on next in the comments below. See you in a bit.